Yes, this is the next chapter, quadratic equations. Chapter number 4. If px is a quadratic polynomial, every polynomial degree 2 is called quadratic, and then px0 is called a quadratic equations. Equations में is equal to 0 must. It is a quadratic polynomials mean p of x may be written as this way: ax square plus bx plus c. This is your quadratic polynomials and is called quadratic equation when this polynomial is equal to 0. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. A, B, C belongs to R and A is not equal to 0. You should remember also that the coefficient of x square is A, coefficient of x is B, and constant term is C. If A is equal to 0, the equation no more will be quadratics. That point you have to be taken care. Now represent the following situations mathematically. If I take example number 1, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and product of the number of marbles now they have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they have had to start with. Let number of marbles John had. Number of marbles John had. x ले लेते हैं. Number of marbles Jayanti had is 45 minus x. Both of them lost the marbles, 5 marbles. Both of them lost the 5 marbles, and now their product is 124. If John lost the 5 marble, it is x minus 5. If this lost the 5 marbles, this is equal to 124. So this is x minus 5 into 40 minus x is 124. Minus x square plus 40x minus 200 is 124. X square plus 324. This is the mathematical equations that you are supposed to frame. Required representations of your mathematical problems. In next exercise you may solve it. That is in exercise 4.2 by the method of factorization splitting the middle terms. You can do it, but right now it is here. बट अगर आप 4.2 एक्सरसाइज में देखेंगे तो इसकी जो फैक्टराइजेशन हम ऐसे करेंगे. 324 may be written as 81 into 4, that is 9 into 9 into 4, that is 36 and 9. These are the factors. It means you may write here x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. X common. This red pen portion you have to done in next exercise. X minus 36 common. So x minus 9 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 36 comma 9. Mean either the John have 36 marbles and Jayanti had 9, or John had 9 marbles, Jayanti had 36. फाइनल आंसर में आप ये लिखेंगे John has had 36 marbles and Jayanti had 9 marbles. वाइस वर्सा भी हो सकता है. और it has 9 marbles, it has 36. Example number 2. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus number of toy produced in the day. On a particular day, the total cost of the production was 750. Let the number of toys produced in a day, I am taking second example. Let number of toys produced in a day is x, cost is 55 less than the number, found to be 55 minus this. Cost is x into 55 minus x is equal to 750. मतलब ये कॉस्ट इन रुपीज होता है, वो नंबर ऑफ टॉयज हैं, तो दोनों को प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो यही आएगा. तो दिस इज द क्वाड्रेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशंस. तो फर्स्ट टर्म इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. इट इज बेटर इफ यू हैव दिस पॉजिटिव टर्म्स. So this is your exercise 4.1. In 4.2 you have to solve it. Solved means 750 you have to produce the factors. That is 25 into 30. So x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 is equal to 0. X minus 30 into x minus 25 is equal to 0. Either x is equal to 30 or 25. Therefore, number of toys produced in a day is either 30 or 25. Is it clear? Now exercise 4.1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Your first part is x plus 1 whole square twice of x minus 3 implies x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. This implies x square plus 7 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equations. Second part, x square minus 2x is minus 2 into 3 minus x. X square minus 2x is -6 plus 2x. X square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is also quadratic equations. X minus 1 2 x minus 1 into x plus 3. So this implies x square minus x minus 2 is x square plus 2x minus 3. So this implies 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is not quadratic. This is linear equations rather than, you can say. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is x plus 5 into x minus 1. 2x square minus 7x x square plus 4x minus 5. तो x square minus 11x plus 8. Again this is quadratic. आपने ये सिंप्लीफाई करके आइडियाज लगा लेना कि ये क्वाड्रेटिक्स हैं या नहीं है. तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स आप खुद भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं, इसमें कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम वाली बात नहीं आएगी. एक मैं क्वेश्चंस क्यूबिक वाला आपको करा देता हूं. क्यूबिक इक्वेशंस में आपको फार्मूला अप्लाई करना होगा. a माइनस बी होल क्यूब या a प्लस बी होल क्यूब. First questions, seventh part, x plus 2 whole cube 2x into x cube 3x square 3x into a प्लस बी होल क्यूब का मैंने फार्मूला लगाया. वो फार्मूला एक्चुअली हम ये लगाते हैं a क्यूब दिस implies x क्यूब minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0. So this will be your answer. Question number 2. Represent the following situations in quadratic equations. Area of the rectangular plot is this. Length of the plot is 1 more than the twice the breadth. Let the breadth of rectangle is x, length is 2x plus 1, x into 2x plus 1 is 528. This implies 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is the representations in quadratic equations. Second part, the product of two consecutive integers is 306. Let the integer be x and x plus 1. X into x plus 1 is 306. X square plus x this is the quadratic representations. Second question, third part. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than Rohan. Let Rohan's age is x year. Mother age is x plus 26 years. Product of their ages from 3 years hence. After 3 years, product of the ages x plus 3 into x plus 26 plus 3 is comes to be 360. This implies x plus 3 into x plus 29 is 360. X square plus 32x plus 87 is equal to 360. X square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic representation in quadratic form करना है. A train travel a distance traveled by train is equal to 480 kilometers. If the speed is 8 kilometers per hour, let the speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Now, according to the statements, 3 hours more to cover the same distance. It means the difference between the timings, distance upon speed, is time. Time cover if increased by 3 hours. If we reduce the speed of the train 8 kilometers per hour, the time will take 3 hours more. So T1 minus T2 is 3. T1 is the time taken by train after reducing the speed by 8 kilometers, and T2 is the time taken by the train in original speed. X into 480 common is equal to 3. X cancelled, 3 cancels, x square this is quadratic equations. This is 160 into 8, 8 भी रहता है. X square minus 8x minus this is the required quadratic equations. अब चाहें तो इन इक्वेशनों को सॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं फॉर योर फर्दर प्रैक्टिस. मीन्स 273 91 into 3 13 into 7 into 3. So this is 39 into 7. The factors will be x square plus 39x minus 7x minus 7 23 0. X plus 39 into x minus 7. X is equal to 7, x is equal to minus 39 is not considered. It means the Rohan age is 7 years. If I go with the factor of this 51 into 6, 17 into 3 into 6, it means x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 360. X plus 18, so x is equal to 17 will be considered, minus 18 may be rejected because the integer may be positive. Although this red pen solution is not required here, ठीक है, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है यहाँ पे, लेट द इंटीजर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. क्लियर? This may be considered 2 into 528, 2 into 132 into 4, 6 into 22 into 4, so 2 into 6 into 2 into 11 into 4, 22, 33, this is 33 into 16 into 32. 33 and 32 are the factors, means 2x square plus 33x minus 32x minus 528 is equal to 0. 2x plus 33 minus 16 common, 2x plus 33. तो x is equal to 16 और minus 33 by 2 is not taken. तो breadth of the rectangle will be 16. In this case 1280, 4 into 320 into 80, (32 and 40), x square minus 40x plus 32x minus 1280. X square common, x minus 40, 32 common x minus 40 is equal to 0. X is equal to 40 and -32 is neglected. So all these red pen calculations will be used in your exercise 4.2, although the black pen calculation is up to exercise 4.1. In 4.1 you have to represent only the quadratics, but 4.2 में आपको ये सारे सम्स करने थे, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे भी आपको सॉल्व करके दे दिए। स्प्लिटिंग द मिरर टर्म्स की प्रैक्टिस अच्छी रहती है, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। फैक्टर्स मैंने बना दिए, अब इसी फैक्टराइजेशन से ये सम करने की कोशिश करिए।